big accident.
Manual recording on.
Crazy kids would just run around the house all day, every day. And then one time at night, she knocked. Is that you?
What the fuck? That bastard shooting a laser at me.
What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck?
Bloody hell, is it bloody moron day today or what? Not sure that will fly with the police. Whoa! Fuck! Absolute dick face! Smash his poor. What in the actual fuck? What a flapjack. Fucking hell.
Idiot.
You
Oh my
fucking
god.
moron.
Oh,
Jesus
Christ.
Christ.
There's a fucking path there. Pardon my language. Oh my god.
Oh, you stopped, didn't you, precious? That's a stop sign.
Mm-hmm.
You fucking gotta be kidding me.
It's one for Scotty's.
Well, you're a fucking wanker, aren't you, cockhead?
Find hope. Does it have a similar? Is it similar topically, or do you find it sort of in a different area?
Well, you are a dick.
Manual recording on. Manual recording on.
Wanker. Dog. Wanker.
Manual recording on.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Have a look at this fucking dickhead, will you?
Here to copy, Dan.
Always one smart ass fucking prick. Thinks he's fucking better than anyone else. Aren't you a fuckhead?
I'll have what she's having.
Those Mini Coopers from down the road.
Oh yeah, she flogs the ass out of that thing.
Yeah.
She took off the other day.
Holy dog shit!
That came out so firm. I feel like we're going to drop one early here. Right, fast. Right to left. I thought I had that then. Right, go on. Out. Okay, 1 over. June 2nd, par 4. This is a little fiddler. Fiddler? It's a little fiddler, this one. It's a different hole from here. So usually on that left-hand side you can see it all. But this completely blocks you off. My only option here is a cut. So I'm going to sting cut off that bunker. No tee for this. That could be pretty good. So I look right inside. Don't know where it bounced. Wow, that flitting flies. I don't know what event's on today, but the greenskeepers don't like them. The pin positions are really nasty. This one was tucked back down the bunker. Then this one's right on the front, so if you're sure with a bit of spin, this is going back to my feet. And we've got a fluffy lie, so I don't think we've got to worry about spin. We've got 115 left here. I'm going in with a 52. Balls above, it's fluffy, so long I take, wind's off the left. So I reckon this we can go straight at it, but just cross balls above.
Please stop. Fuck. You two, you fuckhead. You're on fucking camera, you dickhead.
It's definitely
Jesus
long.
Christ.
That flew out. Straight over it though. Oh, that felt good.
Fuck you, cockhead.
I will happily take that. I'd love to get... Fuck you, cockhead!
What the fuck? What? There's no gap, you fucking idiot. On camera. Just pulls in. No fucking gap. That'll go to Scotty.
I'm a wanker, and I'm always pulling my pull.
I apologise for what you know what I mean? Something like that. Embarrassing. But they get off. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Now, will you get booked for that?
It'll be on my desk again, won't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I have to pull that one off.
Yeah, you will. Now, would
Rip your balls off! Oh, you got even more sneaky. Hey, Millie.
So many twists and... Whoa! the fuck is that?